All right, so last day of summer camp, paper airplanes. I learned how to play Flip 7. Hank taught me that. Judson, Danny drew a great map. I had a map making book he learned from, and he really enjoyed that, and it looks awesome. We did not do the 3D puzzle, so that's out next year. The map making book is here. We made paper airplanes. These loop gliders were huge success. Highly recommend. Very easy to make. And the double loop hoop gliders, triple hoop actually right here. We made these. These are really good. We started out with doubles and we made triples. We made a bunch of different paper airplane shapes. I'll leave all this stuff for them. We had a good time. And yeah, they're good kids. So I hope they have a good time. I will see you all. If you have questions about how to run a paper airplanes origami summer camp, let me know. We did ninja stars. We did animal shapes, dogs, penguins, dinosaurs, snakes, that kind of stuff. And yeah, I think I have some of those over here. So here's a penguin. Kind of a penguin. Black and white paper. Cool. There's bats, and we'll do a video with some of the other shapes later. Oh, we did those little fortune boxes. There's a box that Miss Bree did. Here's the fortune telling things. These are really cool with the paper, like this special paper, because it ends up looking really neat. And yeah, so any questions, let me know. I'll see you on the next day. Take care.